Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something from our Sesame Street range. It is the rectangle Sesame Street tablecloth. Now this is a plastic tablecloth, and it is 137 centimetres by 243 centimetres, which is 3.32 metres long. So I'll just open this up so I can show you. It is plastic, but can be reusable if it's looked after. So the pictures are really nice. This goes along the front of the table. I'll just open it up and put it on the table to show you. Today I'm putting this on a trestle table. So if you have a trestle table or a large rectangle table, this is what they'll look like. They're rather generous, so can be used on many different size tables. So that's basically what it's meant to look like. Quite bright and happy for any Sesame Street party. If you have any questions about this tablecloth or anything else in the Sesame Street range, please message me below. And if you subscribe to us, you'll get to see other items.